All right, y'all, what is going on? We are here, bro. Got Meet the Targets. What up, what up? Let's go. Yes, sir. Got Frank Bank over there, armchair operator. Come on, man. Listen, I'm here to do plenty of things, but the main thing is I want to get their opinion on the Recover Tactical, the S Pro. Yeah, man. And we're gonna see what this thing do. I'm gonna let them take a few rounds at it and tell me what they think, man. Let's go. Hold on. All right, y'all, what's going on? As you can see, this is the S Pro. All right, I got my dagger in it, and this is from Recover Tactical. And I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Jeremy from Recover Tactical for sending this out so I can see what it do, all right? And I got a little, it ain't zeroed in, but it will be soon. And then, of course, you know, jeez, yeah, come on, man. Like, how else you want to shoot it, right? Hold on. Also, too, you can have a mag holder and a grip. And where's my other magazine at? Actually, I ain't got that magazine, so let me just run this. But you guys can hold another mag here, right? And then if you come on this side, it has a AKA gas pedal thumb rest. Right there. All right, and then right here you got a charging handle. So let's see. And you get a lock back. Come on, man. S Pro, Recover Tactical. But hold on, I'm gonna let the guys have some fun too. Hold on. All right, y'all, check it out. So now we got big homie Junk, AKA Basura, with the S Pro. And he's gonna tell me what he think about it.
I forget to use the actual like thumb rest. Hold
on, pause. Y'all, hold on. We had a little technical difficulties. The white, I said the white. Damn, what the heck I said the white for? The front part, which I'm gonna show you right now. Right here, let me just show you. This piece right here came off, all right? And it broke. I don't know if it hit the ground and broke or he was actually shooting rounds. I mean, you probably shot through it, bro.
No. That was when it hit the ground.
You sure? That either hit the ground or you shot it while it was coming off.
Either way.
I don't know. Yeah. But it came off, and we're about to explain. Well, actually, he's gonna run the rest of this, and then we're gonna explain what happened. Here you go. All right. So go ahead and just run whatever's left in that mag. Cool. We out. All right, so as far as how it feels and if you gain more control and can be like
cool
more accurate with it.
It's cool as shit. So like, it absolutely, you're getting more points of contact. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So like, yes, absolutely. There is more control. This is cool as hell. I mean, absolutely, you're getting more ammo here. Where's the other mag? I don't know where the other mag is, but like
right on the drum.
Even still, like
Yep.
Yeah. This is a cool little like defensive tool. I feel like. I have a complaint.
Yep.
So, I'm left-handed, right? And I'm actually pretty. My grip is actually pretty strong. I feel like. And so, in the process.
Let me get on this side. Yep.
Yeah, if you can. In the process of shooting, I'm. Bang, 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 and then
look at his thumb.
My thumb.
He's on the rest, and it accidentally pressed the release button as he was shooting, and it came off. And then that's why, like, it's broke. So, if you're not cautious on where you put your thumb and if you're pressing or not, I don't know. What do you think? Like,
I mean, so that's
I would recommend that they probably shift it to the other side if you're a
maybe-
left hand, right?
Exactly, right. So like maybe flip it on the other side. Sorry, left-handed shooters.
Right, right.
There's more of us.
Yeah.
I don't know, or maybe maybe find another release point. I mean, that's up to their development team. But,
Right, yeah.
So far though, outside of that, awesome. Even if we shot it without it,
Yeah, I mean, like, but you can shoot it without it, yep.
You know what I mean, like that's comfortable.
But, go ahead.
I'm good with that.
Yeah, but look at the barrel is there, look at your thumb. So you ain't too far away from it.
I mean,
And then if you actually pick your thumb up like that, I don't know.
either way,
I would be safer with this on it, to be honest with you. But that's just me, though. See, but we got, you know what I mean, like, we got different preference, you see? Yeah.
however, this is
Yeah, no, that has to be, I don't know, but that has to be addressed. Like, maybe switch it like to the other side, like, like we mentioned, right? If you're left-handed, put it in the opposite. You're right-handed, put it in the opposite side.
yeah, maybe make it ambidextrous,
There you go.
right?
Yeah, so, all right, y'all. Hold
Two
on.
options.
Hold on. All right, hold on. I got my homie armchair operator. He's going to run the S Pro. We just had junk, but now he's going to run for it. All right.
Sir,
S Pro, there you go.
Recover Tactical.
Yes, sir.
We gonna see what it's hitting for. I like it.
Okay.
All right, so then we go.
Right here, hold up. Go right here. So then you put a little thing like this and pull
Oh,
down.
you push it like
Yep.
that.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely got to work on my.
Come
Nice.
on. Jeez.
Very nice.
So what do you think? Can it be like a bedside gun? Can it be a bag gun? Truck gun?
I think it would be. I think it would be a dope bedside.
Okay.
A nice option. It could be a bag gun. The good thing about it is, any full-size semi-auto Glock style pistol will fit.
Mm-hmm.
So, for all y'all in some of the banned states and all that, if your state or jurisdiction give you problems with owning certain firearms, if you gotta go through permits and all that foolishness, you don't gotta go through that with this, because this is the gun itself.
Yep.
This is just a chassis system, so it gives you options. And with more points of contact, you can be accurate with it. So,
Cool.
yeah, it gets a recommend for me, provided that it holds up, but we'll get into more of that in a little bit.
Later on, yep. All right, y'all. Hold on. All right, y'all, hold on. Now we got Meet the Targets. He's going to try the S Pro and just give me his take on it.
Compact.
Now, just a little FYI, it's not zeroed in yet, so we just shooting.
Oh, it's not. Dang.
Nope, it ain't zeroed in. I just want you to shoot and just get the feel for it. Just tell me what you think.
All right, we'll be back after this is zero. All right.
When I bought this gun, it was already. It was a no-brainer for me.
It was tough. Good home defense. And you got a threaded barrel.
Yep.
You can put a suppressor on it.
Yeah, you can put that whisper pickle on it for sure.
know? Put that suppressor on it, you're good. This is good for in the house. This is good for in the house.
And got a lock back. All right.
Yeah, got a lock back and everything.
And then you also got another mag right here.
What kind of mags is used? Glocks?
Glock mags. Yep.
That's crazy. How you drop this one?
Right here, you just got to push this right here forward.
Oh,
and then just pull down.
Oh, that's even simple.
Yep.
Because your thumb fits right here.
Yep. There you go.
Oh my gosh. I like that. I like that. Oh, and it locks.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, that's a nice.
Yeah. That's why you got to press release.
That lock feel good too. When it locked in. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. If I get this, I'll definitely get a suppressor.
Nice. Okay.
You know it. I'll definitely get a suppressor. Ooh, what happened?
Same thing happened to junk too. All right, hold on. So listen, that's the second time already. All right, second time, and I'm gonna go over this way. So now let me show you what happened.
Hold on, I gotta put this on safety. Hold on.
Yep, clear that right quick. All right, it's clean. So now let me show you what happened. Junk did the same thing too, all right? So this is a guard here pretty much. So now you was riding the thumb, right?
Yeah.
So that's AKA the gas pedal, but
Oh,
this
it's
is the
that button?
release button.
Oh wow.
So as you holding on to here, all depending on how you press and like where you put your thumb at,
Yeah.
pretty much you can hit this release button and it's gonna fly off like it just
bad.
did.
I don't
Twice.
like. See now, it just dropped them points because I would want the release. I wouldn't want the release button on this side.
Right? They should put it on the other side if you
I
were-
wouldn't even put it on the other side because if
You would
somebody's a
replace it?
lefty, they're gonna- that release button is probably going to have to sit in the front.
in the front of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This way, it's nowhere around on either side if you're lefty or righty.
Right, because if you order it wrong, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's happened twice, y'all. That happens 2 times. But other than that, what do you think about that?
It's nice. I'm not happy about that release button though. It just dropped way down in points. 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a.
But you also can shoot it without it, obviously.
Yeah, but
But it's a little,
but that's
Yeah,
that doesn't
yep.
even look safe. right
Yeah.
there.
yeah. So
I mean,
I don't know, man. So
1 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a. Damn, I got to give it a 5.
a 5.
Yeah, it was an 8,
All right.
but just because of this, I have to give it a 5. All they gotta do is put that.
So now, if they
right
fix
there.
that, what would you use that
It's
for?
gonna be an 8.
A bedside, truck gun, bag gun?
I use this inside the house because I'm gonna just put a suppressor on it. You know, I don't want to wake up the neighbors.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
I don't want to like.
I think you have a few more rounds, so you might as well just finish it. Yep.
I'm a good neighbor, so.
Oh, you might just finish it up. And you finish it up.
Damn, it's not even 0. I couldn't even hit the D.
Nah, man, it ain't zeroed yet, bro. Huh?
Why you give me this for?
He wants 0 guns only. Hold on, yo. All right, yo. So as you guys seen, if your thumbs, like you got some some long thumbs, man, and how you put your hand on that thumb rest, all depending on where you place that thumb at, man. As you ride on the gas pedal or the thumb rest forward, if you slightly lean to the side on it, the whole front piece is coming right off. That's the piece right here I'm talking about. All right, so once you lay your thumb right there, and the release button is right there, right next to it too. So we had this come off on 2 people so far. So, but other than that, no, man, this thing is tough, man. This thing is tough. As far as for me, I got no problem with this. It doesn't come off on me. I don't accidentally press that right there. Maybe my thumbs ain't long enough. Pause. But yeah. But yeah, so that's what it is, man. But if you ask me, this is a must do. This is a bedside home defense, a truck gun, a bag gun, anything do it all type of.
Had to move it over to the right.
You know what I mean? Chassis. So anyway, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you guys like this video. Do me a favor, leave me some comments if you guys own this right here and if you guys experience it. Let me know. This is why I make videos, so that you guys can actually see all the possible errors that can happen while you're out here. So that's why you gotta come out here and test things, man. You don't want to buy something and just hope to use it one day, or not hope to use it one day, but then you happen to use it and then it just don't work like you want it to. Now, this didn't do anything with the firearm itself. It still ran, but it's still something that can be addressed, man. Because if you press hard and you hit the release and it comes forward and you're still sending rounds, I don't know how that's gonna go. But anyway, hope you guys like this video. Leave me some comments. Hype the video too, man. It's free. It's free, man. And once again, I want to give a big shout out and a thank you to Jeremy from Recovered Tactical. I appreciate it. And let's go, man. Let's go keep doing more reviews, y'all. All right? Let's go. Peace.